Hi, this is Attorney Mike Gravel coming to you from Chicago as usual, and today we're going to look at Better Call Saul, Season 2, Episode 8. It's called Fifi. It's real good stuff. Let's do it. So we've got some plot to unpack right away here. At the end of the last episode, Jimmy and Kim were talking about starting their own shop, and Kim is about to give notice to Hamlin and McGill, and she plans on going out with Jimmy, not in partnership, but in an office share arrangement or something like that.
Now, you put that letter into Howard's office tonight. It's on his premises. You've officially given notice. Tomorrow morning, while he's still out on the back nine chasing his balls, you call Mesa Verde and your other clients, you bring them along. You get to him before he does.
So Kim does it her way and tells Howard Hamlin that she's quitting Hamlin, and McGill.
You know that I appreciate my time here. I'm grateful for everything you and the firm have done for me, especially the financial help with my schooling. And I'm ready to write a check for the remainder of the loan. I just need accounting to get me that figure.
No need.
Well, this seems to be going well.
Because I knew that I could expect more from you. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Well, isn't that sweet? But turns out it's short-lived.
Kevin walk down to Mesa Verde and cancel everything I have lined up this morning.
Going now.
Of course, Kim races over to Mesa Verde to see if she can get her clients to go with her.
I believe, however, that I am the right choice.
Why?
Then it's on to the new office that her and Jimmy are working on to discuss the situation.
Bad lunch, huh? Mesa Verde said no?
Preliminary indications are good from the meeting, and they have this sweet exchange between Jimmy and Kim.
Oh, and then when we walked out of the restaurant, when Kevin wasn't looking, Paige gives me a thumbs up. But not the regular thumbs up, the double thumbs up. 2.
Double barrel.
Boom, boom. Just like that.
I knew it. I knew you could do it.
So Jimmy sets up another horrible photo shoot with another horrible premise. He manages to wrangle somebody into playing a veteran because there's a large, B-52 bomber there named Fifi, and he just wants a photo op.
Isn't she a beauty, Fudge? Just like the one you used to fly. Fudge. Yep. Major Theodore Fudge Talbot. His mom used to mail him care packages of fudge during the war, and he shared them with his friends. So that's the story, right, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. Well,
This photo op is truly shameless, and it sets up this episode's favorite line.
So thank you for your service.
he says you're welcome.
And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, or the dogs get it. Finally, we learn where Jimmy actually recruited his actor for this purpose, and it makes everything even better.
So this guy owes me. I defended him a while back when he couldn't pay.
Defend him for what?
What, you want to be a lawyer when you grow up? Just fix the...
Public masturbation. Total bullshit.
All right, keep your voice down.
In the meantime, Chuck and Howard were able to get Mesa Verde to stay with HHM, and Kim is very disappointed. And we have another sweet moment between Kim and Jimmy where he's kind of pumping her up.
Things change. We're about to sign a very expensive lease after a very sizable chunk of income just went flying out the window.
That's why we're a team. Something like this happens. You're there to help me. I'm there to help you.
So Jimmy goes over to ostensibly check on his brother, but it turns out he's really about ready to fix this whole Mesa Verde situation in that special Jimmy sort of way. We figure out here that he's about ready to sabotage his brother by altering documents that he's relying on for their submissions. And it just shows that Jimmy is incredibly smart and clever, and if he would just go ahead and apply that towards something legitimate, he would do just fine.
Hey, how's it going? I need an X-Acto knife, a ruler, wood please, hammer mill premium paper, 20 pound, 1 ream, and a glue stick. Oh, and point me to your best copier.
Best copier?
Yeah, best copier. Come on. Dee Dee Mao.
And here's Chuck just continuing to be horribly annoying as he's justifying his stealing of a client.
Couldn't stand to let Kim have Mesa Verde. You had to swipe it from her.
I didn't swipe anything. We retained our client.
You and Howard never even heard about Mesa Verde till Kim brought it to you on a red velvet pillow.
Throughout this episode, Mike has been surveying Hector Salamanca, Tuco's uncle, who he just seems to be in a blood feud with at this point. But before we leave the episode, we're gonna end it with this. Mike is, for some reason, making a hose with a bunch of nails in it.
Oh, listen, Walter. You are no longer my husband and no longer my boss. And you're not going to be my boss.
That would have worked out if you'd be...
The takeaway here. The takeaway is that Chuck continues to be just horrible, but Jimmy has finally decided to hit back, and he's found a real good way to do it. As far as Mike goes, he's obviously cooking something pretty serious with Hector Salamanca. Here at Law Talk, we do a lot of videos answering common legal questions. We also do reviews of law in the movies and then on TV. We also share some of our more interesting cases. We're always putting out new videos. So if you like that, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell.